We are doing a short routine today meant to be done in bed right before you fall asleep at night. So this will help to calm your body and prepare it for a good night's sleep. So we're going to start by doing a little 1-minute massage to help stimulate your vagus nerve. I want you to take your index fingers and you're going to put it right, each of them, right inside your ears, right to the lower canal, okay? So I'm just right inside that lower ridge, like right maybe where the canal would start. So I'm not in the canal at all, I'm right in that lower ridge, and I'm just doing this little semicircular motion. Now, don't start feeling silly, don't leave. I promise this technique is based in so much research that shows us by stimulating our own vagus nerve, we can help calm our body down, take away anxiety, help even with blood pressure and with digestion. This is a really important nerve that does those things, and we can help it by doing these little massages anytime during the day, but it can really help at night before falling asleep. So again, I'm just doing that little semicircular motion, nice and gentle. We don't want a deep massage here, we just want it nice and gentle. And then after we've spent a moment here, we're going to start to take our hands, and I use now my index and middle fingers, and I'm moving down my neck. So if you kind of find that big bulky muscle that moves from your jawline down towards kind of the middle here in your collarbone, that's where I am. I'm doing circular and up and down. And if you find yourself starting to calm down a little bit, starting to regulate your breathing, that's a good thing. And there are many different videos out there to give you even more in-depth tutorials on massaging that vagus nerve, all the little points inside the ear, because there are many of them. I'm just giving you a very general technique that you can use right before bed, okay? So if you spend 1 or 2 minutes doing that, it's going to prepare your body to feel calm and get ready for sleep. All right, now we're going to bring both arms down. Inhale the right arm up and exhale over. Inhale, return. Exhale the other way. So I want you to connect your breath to your movement. Okay, that's another way you can prepare your body for sleep, to be calm. This is actually a way to stimulate that vagus nerve without massaging it, is by doing slow, purposeful movements. 1 breath per movement. Forget about your to-do list. Forget about what's coming tomorrow and just focus right this moment on your breath and what your body is doing. Okay, good. Inhale, bring both arms in front of you. Clasp your hands together. I'm going to flip them over. I'm going to reach my hands forward as I round my back behind me. Good. And then release that. Bring your hands behind you and just find this little arch in your upper back. Let your head fall back. Maybe open the front of your throat. And then return. And you can lay down on your back. Feel free to use a pillow. So we're going to come all the way down and hug the right knee in. And I want you to really give it a good squeeze. And then release gently and squeeze again. Inhale, release. Exhale, squeeze. 1 more. Now squeeze it in. Keep your left hand on the knee. Bring your right arm to a T. Your knee is going to come to the left as you look to the right. And then back to center. And we'll switch legs. Left leg in and give it a good squeeze. Feel that joint come in just as far as you can, and then your inhale releases it. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, release. Feel like you're squeezing out any of the tension in your body. Feel like there's a trap door in the back of your head and it's opening up, and any thoughts from the day are just dropping away. You can pick them back up tomorrow if you need to, but let them go for tonight. Good. Keep your right hand on the knee. Bring it to the right. Left arm reaches out and you're going to turn and look at it. And then come back up and bring both knees in. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And rock it side to side. And either stay here, or if it's comfortable for you, bring your chin and your head up and try to make yourself into the teeniest little ball you can. Just whatever is the smallest shape you can find. And squeeze it all out, squeeze it all out, squeeze it out. Feel your arm muscles working, feel your leg muscles working, even your toes. Everything's curling and reaching and pulling in. And then release it all. Your arms release, your legs release. Let your head turn side to side. Back to center. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open your mouth and let it out. One more. And I hope you have a very nice, restful night of sleep.